Reverend Faza Susario Nazario yasima batandikiraho seminari ya Kitabi umwaka gwa 2025 ari kugira ngo ebasize kubangura abantu binji okuba abahereza ba Ruhanga kandi abandi baba abantu bo mugasho mwihanga
nimanya binjo muri imwe ingo muri twe twinemera mu minji amwe no bushuranisubwa bwamani konka ba rukundo no mwete kumwinyirekerese hamwe na seminariyo yitu beba twisha turya
Nenjira abeju bakuru Kitabi seminari mwasigireho mwagende myaka buryo mwe yagenderaho tumashanga ehindukire okutama abantu
orukura abashamireho Kitabi seminari Didas Oricheriza yagira ngo bashaziremo okugaruka ishomero ryabo eryabahinduire cyo bari na no kuretaho umuganda
twizaha ahabo kugezaho kugarurayo aha ebirungi ebitwatungira hane bingi tukafuna okugumisiriza tukafuna emico mirungi tukafuna obwegese bwesentenche kandi bw'umutindo bweni twahitora hitukora kugira twagira twakora nitwiza kurango twagire kitwateka ishomeraha
omukoro ugu gwishirweho n'abantu bakuru mu government omuri General Joseph Masanyufu hamwe n'abamemba ba parliament
ihanganiye taga abantu ba discipline no barize kubyombe so abana batwaratire batwegereho bakoze se ishomero seminari cyebegise kuba abantu abo mugasho bakikoze se bazakombe kihangana ahitwashikirite ahituri turashikirwa accidentally tukashikaho discipline na patience iyi abantu bagise batugiremo
I am what I am because of Kitabi seminary. I would not be a minister in government if I had not been nurtured here in this seminary.
abeje nabo basimire abashimire Kitabi seminari ahabwo kugira umutima murungi ugo kuhwera ishomero ryabo umugandi President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ashabira bebembezi b'amadini umucanga cyakigezi okufayo mununga okurwana sobworo mbyanga byabo ebe President Museveni abagambira mu butumwa bwe obumushomiriwe David Bahati Minister wihanga ahawe by'amakorero aha mukoro go kutongoza Bishop Development Fund BDF omukoro gukorirwa hambagaza St Peter's Cathedral Garama Kabare municipality.
Therefore, I'm delighted that religious leaders are beginning to understand this message of wealth creation and economic transformation in their sermons. It is proper that the church continues to partner with government to transform the lives of believers, while it is true that the primary role of the church is to ensure the spiritual well-being of the people. The church must also support initiatives geared towards socio-economic transformation.
Ehurezi eyebembirwe diocese ya Kigezi na nekigendererwa ekyo kombe omwanya go kushuborramo omurikabari municipality kandi ogu no gukumaraho billion 3 President Museveni abahireho million 50.
This is an important project that will help to generate incomes and jobs for our children.
Ejire project ya kumera kora yentunguka. Obwire bwa kare amaramizo abajungu bakaba baratuye sente. Konkati abajungu bije barabyiha ngaro. Ngena abantu nitwe turekwatiramu abashumba.
Esente ezirengere billion 1,200,000 zishore zibwe okubasehurreji.
And thank you that you have pulled the money out of your pockets to support Diocese of Kigezi. May you clap for the MPs that have been here.
Omuburuzi w'izuba Archbishop Laurent Mbanda owa Rwanda ashabira bicereza kuhereza mukamana n'umutima gumwe.
The motivating factor is nothing else but God's mercy in your life. ekirashemeza amagara gaitu kindi kwenkana embabazi.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Abraham Muganzi na Job Namanya.